Privilege notice has been submitted to the Rajya Sabha chairman by the Congress. Congress alleging that excerpts of the rail budget were leaked to a national daily. In fact, the Congress submitting this privilege notice against the Railway Minister Sadanand Gowda after claiming that certain excerpts of the budget were leaked even before the rail budget was announced yesterday.
हमारे कई सदस्यों ने प्रिविलेज का मोशन मूव किया है। उस मोशन के ऊपर यहां अभी आप चर्चा नहीं करा रहे हैं, लेकिन जीरो आवर में उन लोगों को अपनी बात कहने का मौका दिया जाए, मैं आपसे ये अनुरोध करना चाहता हूं।
अच्छा बेटी, जीरो आवर में नोटिस जो दिया है वो चेयरमैन देखा है, चेयरमैन जो एडमिट किया है उसको मैं परमिशन देगा। मैं आई विल रीड इट आउट।
जो प्रिविलेज मोशन जो दिया गया
प्रिविलेज के मोशन के बारे में
उन लोगों को भी आप मौका दीजिए, कम से कम वो अपनी बात तो कह सके।
ओके जी, यू मेड योर पॉइंट। हाँ बेटी, यू आर ऑन द सेम पॉइंट। यस यस, टेल मी व्हाट डू यू वांट प्लीज।
सॉरी
बोलिए।
यस
प्लीज टेल व्हाट
यस
व्हाट नो, व्हाट इज द सब्जेक्ट, टेल मी।
See the question of the privileges.
About question of privilege. Okay, sorry? That is already raised. Now listen. No.
Not is his fault.
No.
Listen to us. You just can't overrule it.
See. Now, I will come to that. No, sit down. Take your seat. Mr. Rao, take your seat. See, regarding the question of privilege, as I understand, Honorable Chairman has said in this House during the question hour that is under Chairman's consideration. Therefore, that question cannot be taken up here.
But they have to listen to us.
No, that is something Chairman has given a ruling, and I cannot allow it.
The rule says if 25 members stands up, you have to admit it, sir.
On something Chairman has given a ruling.
Yes, but
I cannot allow a discussion.
Stands up,
no,
sir.
Chairman has.
You just can't go on and bulldoze it, sir.
See, Honorable Chairman has said he will give a ruling. Wait for the ruling.
It is the same people who are sitting over there have done when they were here.
No.
It's not.
See, you have to wait for the ruling of the Chairman.
You will have
to wait for the ruling.
And Railway Minister must resign with this.
Mr. Mistry, I have to go by rules.
You have to listen as a zero hour, or you have to
zero hour. I am calling. Take your seat. Zero hour. Those who are given notice and permitted by Chairman will be allowed to make the statement here.
A huge controversy surrounding the rail budget, which was announced yesterday. This morning, the Congress submitting a privilege notice to the Rajya Sabha chairman, making a serious charge alleging that certain excerpts of the rail budget were leaked to a national daily. In fact, the privilege notice was submitted to the Rajya Sabha chairman against the Railway Minister Sadanand Gowda. And Meetu joining me on the phone line now. Meetu, it's a very serious charge being made by the Congress there.
Well, of course, the allegation has been made by the Congress party, but remember where this privilege motion is concerned, it is at the moment with the vice chairman of the Rajya Sabha, and the sense we get is that there is every possibility that this privilege motion will be rejected. And the reason being that, remember, there is a 1956 ruling which says that any leak of the rail budget or any other such document from the House is not really a matter of privilege, but it is actually a violation of the Official Secrets Act. That's the reason why we do understand is that whenever the committee meets, this will be rejected. But I guess that's not the reason why this privilege motion has been moved. It is essentially the Congress looking for issues to raise in the House and disrupt the House. In fact, that's what Congress leaders were telling us. They were saying that we were at the mercy of the opposition all these years when we were in power. Now it is our turn. We will be raising every issue we think is possible. Therefore, this issue has been raised. But the fact is that when this issue comes up, the privilege motion does come up before the vice chairman. He is likely to be rejecting it.